All right, so I'm going to take this pin lock that came with my LS2 Advant X carbon helmet, and I'm going to install it in that clear shield. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is grab some cotton balls, put some alcohol on it, like so. And then I'm just going to wipe the inside of this thing to take all the fingerprints off. Yep, throw that out of there. Oh yeah, beautiful, just beautiful. Now I'm going to take this and get the pin lock out. There's the pin lock right there. Throw the instructions away. You never need those things until you run into a problem. All right, I got to get my trusty gloves on because I don't want no fingerprints on this thing. So, okay, I got the gasket side there, a notch right there, notch right there, and there's a notch right there on the glass. So I'm just going to slip it up and make sure I got the gasket on the right side. Yeah, slip it up there. Notch it in, perfect. Now I'm just gonna notch it in, just perfect, like so. Okay. Then I am going to stretch this thing like so. Then I'm going to pull this down, stretch it out a little bit, and try to wiggle this other guy in with no problem. There it is. Both of them are in. Now I'm just going to flatten it. As you can see, there's a gap right there. I'm just going to flatten it all against the glass there. There it goes, up against the glass. I'm just going to press on it, like so. And it's in there just fine. Now I'm going to pull the blue stuff off of here. There it comes. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. There it is. There, now the pin lock's in. There's anti-fog. I pushed around it so that it seals real nice. Yeah, we're good to go. Okay, there's just a little pieces right there that slide into that, just right up against that thing. Not in there, but just up against that. So I'm going to take this, put that little piece right there, pull this lever back, and then put it in place. Same with this side. Just pull the lever back, slide the spot there. Then you put your shield down, and you got your pin lock installed, and there is no smudges of any kind.